Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the media on Android. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings app to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Now scroll down and choose the Sound and Vibration option on the screen. This menu contains additional options for customizing your sound and vibration features. Step 3. Next, scroll down the menu to locate the media option and tap on it. Step 4. Now, you will see the Pin Media Player, Show Media on Lock Screen, or Show Media Recommendations. Unfortunately, this is turned on. Step 5. For the last and most important step, tap on the Pin Media Player, Show Media on Lock Screen, or Show Media Recommendations options to turn them off instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.